Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video and coming up videos, we will learn what is SQS and what are its configurations with some demo examples. So we will just quickly start with this video. So we are going to create an SQS and we are going to learn one of the config of the SQS with a example. So first we just for demo purpose we will go to SQS and we will just create one demo queue. Let's click on create queue and we'll click on standard queue. So there are two types of queues, one is standard and one is FIFO. So FIFO is which will manage its order of input to the listener. So presently we'll just create one standard queue and we'll just name it as SQS config demo. So in this video we will learn what is visibility timeout. So we will learn with an example. Let's say we keep a visibility timeout at 10 seconds and rest all we keep as default. We'll just leave as it is rest all. And to show that config example we need one dead letter queue also. So first we'll just create one dead letter queue. Let's say demo DL and we'll just create, and now we'll just create one more SQS. Just go to this and click on create, again create. So here we will keep 10 seconds, visibility timeout as 10 seconds, and whatever the previous queue we have created we will keep that queue as dead letter queue for this queue. So if you check SQS config demo DL is already there, and presently maximum receives we will keep 1 and we'll just click on create. So now we have created an SPS to show actual demo of what is visibility timeout. We need one trigger, means one listener. So it is linked to the listener. If you read what is the actual definition, visibility timeout sets the length of time that a message received from a queue, one consumer, will not be visible to the other consumers. So till the visibility timeout gets over, that message received by only one consumer and it won't be visible to any other consumers. So the visibility timeout begins when SQS returns a message. If the consumer fails to process and deletes the message before the visibility timeout expires, the message becomes visible to other consumers. So if the consumer fails to process and delete, so if we set 10 seconds and the message will be received by one consumer, and within the 10 seconds if the consumer is not processed that message or the consumer is not deleted that message from the queue, then it will be visible for other consumers. Means it will be that same message will come again to the queue and it will be visible for the any other consumers, but older message will be already processing by the consumer. So we will see with example. It means the first consumer, whoever receives that message, he should make sure it should complete within this visibility timeout. Otherwise, the same message will be received again by the same consumer, or it can be different consumer if different consumers listens to the same queue. To, so to show actual demo, we'll attach one lambda to this SQS and see what is actually the visible timeout, what we spoke about. So let's go to functions list and let's create one function. So function name we'll keep as SQS config demo. So we'll just keep as Python and select any existing role instead of creating a new role. Lambda demo function role and click on create function. So in this we'll just print the event. We print the event and we sleep for 11 seconds. So here what we did, we are just sleeping for 11 seconds. The SQS visibility timeout we kept as 10 seconds and here we are sleeping for 11 seconds. So we'll just deploy this and first test the syntax. So for testing we'll just create one new event and we'll just pass this as it is and we'll just click on test. So here there is a task timeout because internally we kept as 11 seconds, but our configuration by default it will be 3 seconds. Let's increase it to 30 seconds. So timeout presently we are not discussing, it is not uh, there. Yeah, we will speak about it if required. So now again we will just execute this and just test the sequence syntax. So syntax is correct. So presently we are testing directly and we need to attach that SQS to lambda to test. So let's go to triggers and add trigger. Here click on SQS and here select the SQS you want to add and here you keep batch size as 1. So we will learn what is this batch size also in future videos. And we add it as a trigger. Trigger queue visibility timeout is 10 seconds is less than the function timeout 30 seconds. So at first only this validation AWS keeps because this is the lambda timeout should not be greater than the visibility timeout. But we can change lambda timeout, the queue timeout, visibility timeout first to make the lambda created. Here let's say 10 minutes. Then we'll click here, it will allow now. And now we can change here again to 10 seconds to test our demo. So it creates enabled state and it goes. Now we will send message to the queue directly and see how many times that event will get printed. So this is the queue we have created. We'll just click on send messages and we'll just write any message, demo message, and we'll just, so presently visibility timeout is 10 seconds, lambda timeout is 30 seconds, and that is okay, but internally our code is running for 11 seconds, so it is more than the visibility timeout. So presently don't link to the lambda timeout. We'll just check how much time, how much long lambda runs and what is the visibility timeout. So presently visibility timeout is 10 and lambda is running for 11 seconds because we have kept 11 seconds sleep. So just send message. So whenever we send message, we should see only one message received by this lambda. But as the visibility timeout is lesser than the lambda running time, at the time of 10th second, it will again push the same message to the SQS and it will be received by the lambda. So to check the logs of this, we'll just go to the CloudWatch. Just view CloudWatch. We have sent only one message one time and we'll just check the logs. Search every log. We'll just search here. So we have received demo message once, 25:58. So message is not coming again. Message has been sent. So yeah, if we check, so I think the message went to DLQ. As per our demo, it should not go to DLQ. Maybe 1 second gap might not be good. We'll just reduce to some 7 seconds. And we'll just send message again. Send again. Now we will search demo to message. Not received by lambda still. Here are those messages. So I think the messages are going to DLQ. Let's check any errors are there. So there are no errors. It is just printing the event 28:39 and 28:50. It is ending. So before this, as the visibility timeout is very less, So this is not working as per our expectation. So these are going to DLQ. So we have kept the retry count as 1. So it is something linked with that retry count. So let's increase that retry count to 2 and check our expectation. Now we have set to 2, and now send message again. Now let's search if the message is repeated. Yeah, now our expectation is correct. So now 31:18 and 31:26. So after 7 seconds or 6 seconds itself, it is sending the message to the queue again because of the visibility timeout. And before, why it didn't send? Because the DLQ we have kept retry count as 1. That's why it is coming only once. And now we kept as 2. That's why that message is coming again to the queue. Yeah. So more than 2 it is not coming because the DLQ we have kept as 2 retries. So this is, I hope you understood. So we need to try one more scenario also. That is, we need to remove the DLQ and check. Because of DLQ or retry count, it is coming only whatever count we have kept. If we remove the DLQ itself for the actual SQS and keep visibility timeout as low, will it lead to any loop? Let's check. So let's go to this queue. Let's remove this, disable and save. Now send a message. Disabled DLQ. Send message. Now let's check how many times we see this disabled. So we have already seen 2 times. Minutes it is now showing. 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So now also it is showing only twice. So we have removed DLQ and the 2 number should not be applicable now, but it is coming twice. So as per the expectation, its message should come again to the queue. So it has come and again will be received by the same lambda, and that lambda again will sleep for 11 seconds and the same message should be repeated. So we are wondering why only 2 times the message came. It should be repeated, but it won't be repeated because so the first message came at 33:43 and till 33:50 the visibility time got over and the same message sent to the same SQS and it got received again, and this is also sleeping again 11 seconds. If it crosses 6-7 seconds the message should again go to SQS, but that didn't happen because the first processing message will be deleted after 11 seconds. So 43 plus 11, so 54. So at the time of 54 the message will be already deleted and it won't be present in the SQS to send again to the queue. So that is the logic. And if we want a demo or proof for this explanation, what we have to do is we need to reduce the visibility timeout still so that we will get many messages. Let's say 1 second. So now we should be getting so many repeated messages till any of the lambda which received a message till it deletes, it will keep on coming to the queue again and again. So now as per the expectation, we have kept 1 second and our lambda sleeping or processing time 11 seconds. So around 11 or 12 times we need to receive the same message again to the same queue. Let's try. Reduced message, reduced timeout to 1 second. So as per our expectation, we need to receive this message around 10, 11 or 12 times. See? And after this, we won't get any messages because the first message, the processing lambda, will be deleted after 11 seconds. So it won't be repeated again. So now our explanation or our proof is correct. If you check the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 times the message is received. So this is because our visibility timeout is 1 second, our lambda is processing 11 seconds. So till the 11 seconds, how many ever these 1 seconds crosses, it will keep on sending to the queue till the message is deleted from the SQS. So lambda by default, if it completes a processing means execution of code, lambda will be automatically, the message will be automatically deleted from the SQS. So once the message is processed, it will be deleted from SQS and there is no way to send the same message again to the queue. So I hope this explanation is understood. So if you have any questions, please comment in the comment section or YouTube video. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.